So today I'm going to be making a kinky curly wig. I'm doing the cover cap method. Cover the cap, I meant. You'll be able to put this in a ponytail without seeing the cap. So I'm using nylon thread. I like this thread so far. It's not bulky like the cotton thread. I'm not sewing through the elastic. I'm sewing like in the fabric above the elastic so it won't affect the stretchiness of the cap. I mean the elasticity of the cap. So this nylon, it kind of matches the hair. It's like a shiny. It's not too shiny, but it's like the right luster to match this hair. And I'm using the T-pins to keep the hair in place. If you want to know where I got this what do you call this? This mannequin, well, this wig stand, you can click the link below and I have a video on where I got it from. And it does come in various colors. So you know I have to choose the color pink because that is my favorite color. So I'm just sewing on the first layer. This hair is 18, 16, 14, as you can see. No cap, you can't see the cap. I really love this nylon thread because it's like it's easy to work with and it doesn't tangle a lot. And it's really firm. See, as I'm pulling it, it's not lifting. And the quality of this thread is a lot better than the cotton. So I'm almost done, and that's the closure. I want to say this is a HD closure. It looks so natural, like I didn't pluck this at all. So I'm just tying the knot. And I use about 2.5 bundles plus the closure. This hair was really full, so you didn't need the whole 3 bundles. When you do this, please do not sew on the cap. I meant the closure. If I'm not mistaken, I think I did make that first mistake in my first video. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I'm not really, I haven't really perfected this yet. I mean, it's nice, but I'm still, I'm still learning. So I'm removing that T-pin and I'm just going to sew. But first, when I flip the track, I do make a knot so it doesn't lift. So I'm just continually sewing the track down. Now I did sew the closure at the top because I did have the closure up a little further than the actual tracks, and as you can see, you see no cap. I did connect the last track to the closure so it can hold the closure down when you put the wig on. But other than that, when you're sewing around the closure, don't connect it to the closure. So now I'm going to sew on the band for the wig. I'm just going to cut it in half. Well, right now I'm removing the thread because I don't want to lose any of the band. So now I'm going to cut it in half. Well, I'm just measuring. Yeah, cut it in half. So I'm going to sew on the closure, and it's also going to hold the closure down to keep it from lifting. And what I like about this thread, when you're sewing through the closure, you do not see the thread at all. I mean, you don't see through the closure. I said that so backwards, but you don't see the thread through the closure. I'm sewing this on really good so it doesn't pop off. I really like the band over the clips. I do have wig clips, but I was experimenting. I wanted to see how it does with the band. So far I do like the band because it doesn't cause this hair breakage, because I was a little afraid to use the comb. So I think on my wig, and I will do like an updated version on my wig, probably my next video, I'm going to show you guys the clips. I think I want to just add one. So I'm sewing on the other side of the wig. So I am going to connect this to the back of the cap. But yeah, those are the clips on the side. I was still contemplating whether or not to do it on this wig, but this is not my wig. This is for somebody else. He is actually one of my subscribers. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to leave the link of where I got the hair from, or where she purchased the hair from. So I'm just going to tie that knot twice. So I connected it to the back so she could put it on. It's just like putting on a hat. It's real simple. So I'm gonna wet the hair with my little spray mist bottle. Y'all, this hair is so pretty when you comb it and wet it. It looks like 3C 4A curl hair or textured hair. I did just put water. Well, I don't know if you've seen the beginning of the video, but at first I just put water, and so now I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Miracle Styler leave-in. Yeah, I love this stuff. It's real lightweight, and it I don't know, that product is just the best to me. Like, it leaves the hair really soft. It doesn't leave it crunchy. It's not heavy. So I just put a little bit of that in the hair, and it's not stiff wear. So I'm just going to spray some more water on it. This hair does not require a lot of product at all. It's real easy to work with. You just spray your water daily and the curls will pop. Look at those curls. It looks just like natural hair. Look at that. It kind of reminds you of a Jerry curl too. But this hair didn't smell like chemicals were used or anything. But yeah, this is the hair after I'm done. I put just a little bit of foam on top to lay the closure down, but that's it. Look at that. You see no cap. I'm just loving this closure, y'all. It's so nice. Stiff wear. Here's the final look of the wig. She did one of that style. We did 2 braids going back. This kind of reminds you of the style that Jasmine wore in Aladdin. So yeah, something simple, and I just added the little stuff in front of the closure, and that was it. Thanks for watching.